Good afternoon, everyone. It is 2:30 in the afternoon, and I know what you're thinking. What have I been doing with my day that I have not been recording? And the answer is not much. I have edited yesterday's video, which was a bit of a job because there was a lot in there, but it's done and it is uploaded, which is good. I've been keeping an eye on Hurricane Olivia. Hurricane update. So she is trundling towards us across the South Pacific and is supposed to get here sometime Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, probably as a tropical storm rather than as a hurricane. So plan for this afternoon is one, go into town and get some food. Yesterday when we were out doing the Hana Highway, we went to a kiosk and we picked up banana bread. So I'm not starving because I've been eating banana bread all morning. However, as the old saying goes, man cannot eat by banana bread. No, man cannot survive on banana bread alone. Well, man could, but man probably shouldn't. So we're going to go and get some food and some supplies. We're going to stock up just in case the storm is worse than predicted. So I fortunately have a fully equipped kitchen in this particular hotel, so we'll go and get some food that I can cook in case we have no power for a day or something ridiculous like that. Not expecting that, but better safe than sorry. And what else did I need to do? Oh yes, laundry. I have got a bag here. I didn't get around to doing it last night because I just came back here and crashed. So laundry, food, we'll get some lunch down at the shops as well, and we'll get what's left of this day started. Made it to the laundry room. The laundry is not free, but it's only $2, so we can live with that. Right, I believe all we need to do is take a bag of laundry and laundry into washing machine. Step one, complete. Now we need to pay, hello, $1 to get some detergent. Almost as much fun as Las Vegas. Successfully got the detergent, so detergent goes in washing machine, and what could possibly go wrong? And success! We have noise. I actually have no idea how long this takes, but we'll go get some food, do our shopping, and hopefully it'll be done by the time we get back. I'm going to assume that noise is fine and just hope that it doesn't destroy all my clothing. Let's go get something to eat. I've made it back to the hotel room and the kitchen. Time to show you the things that we have got to last through the hurricane. We have got bread, because I figure it's always useful. We've got some granola bar things, which can be snacks and breakfasty kind of stuff. We've got some milk, which I know will go off if we lose the power, but they should still be good for a day or two in the fridge. We've got butter, likewise, going off, but still good for a day or two. We've got some cereal for breakfast as well, and then we've got 2 big bottles of these waters, which will go in the fridge too. So with all that, that should be enough to last us a day or two if the worst happens, which it probably won't. So I know that today's video is going to be very short and it's mostly me talking. We'll go and check out the sunset tonight, but there isn't a lot more to do in this area of Maui apart from go outside and get really sunburned, and I don't really want to do that. So I think I might just relax in the room for this afternoon and check out the sunset and then go for dinner. So let the relaxing begin after we put this stuff in the fridge. And yes, I did almost forget the laundry, but not quite. Let's go see if the washing is done. Laundry is complete, and I know it's absolutely ridiculous to even think about using these in the tropics, but this hotel has no washing line or anywhere to dry stuff outside, so washing machine or drying machine it is. It's never a good sign when you find one of these in the bottom of the washing machine. Hopefully I can still use those trousers. Otherwise, we're down to 1 pair. That's making a happy noise. Now we just have to wait 48 minutes and we should have dry clothes. I guess we'll find out. Tempting. I have successfully remembered to retrieve my bag o' laundry. It is now time for a sunset and then time for dinner. But before that, hurricane update. So apparently we're under a tropical storm watch. I don't know what that means. Maybe I'll have to bring the garden furniture in at some point. Anyway, not for a day or two. Let's go watch the sunset.
Move with me now. Move with me now. Balance me out. Buy me all the things to go on Paris. Did I ever give you more than you could manage? Give me everything that you want to forget.
Mental note, sunset is at 6, not 6:30. That is it for today. Dinner was nice. Tomorrow we have to be up early in the morning. We're going to do another day trip tomorrow, which should be fun. Tomorrow we're going to go and take a look at some volcanoes before the hurricane arrives. So that's 2 out of 3 natural disasters. Just we need an earthquake and we'll have the full set. Hurricane doesn't get here till Tuesday, so we've got a little bit of time. And I'm looking forward to seeing the volcanoes tomorrow. Should be good. So I will say good night now. Like I said, I have to be up at 5:30 tomorrow morning. So until then, I will say good night. I will see you very early tomorrow morning. Good night.